Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 0.9% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair gained 0.6% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Wall Street stocks closed lower as markets were stunned by data showing slower than expected US economic growth and persistent inflation, coupled with a sell-off in large cap stocks triggered by disappointing results from Meta platforms. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission will most likely deny spot Ether exchange-traded funds in May, according to a new report. Before the historic approval, the SEC rejected spot BTC ETF filings for over a decade. The Canadian dollar strengthened against its US counterpart as domestic data showed wage growth picking up and ahead of US inflation data that could offer clues on the prospect of Federal Reserve interest rate cuts.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's BOJ interest rate decision will be released at 3 GMT. Spain's retail sales at 7 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement will be released at 3 GMT. The US personal spending at 12:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.